Mel.
I found that absolutely terrifying.
You know, you can't just lie in boxes and blow yourself up. You've got to think about, you know, the act. How dangerous is this act?
Oh, no.
Oh, thanks, Howie. Mel?
Emily Snock. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Sarasota. You?
Yeah, look, I haven't definitely agreed yet to lie in a box with.
I'm nervous for her.
So much.
I bet. Okay, do you want to tell us what you think?
It's the one. Florida.
Okay, tell me about you, please.
I have to give you kudos for that, for being so gutsy and do.
Then in the coffin.
You did it! Oh my gosh.
Okay, Howie,
You know what? When you got into that box,
is your dad here today?
He is. He couldn't resist.
If they...
The chest, but I'm glad I did it.
Power to you, I call that girl power.
Yeah, go
Yes.
girls.
You're alive!
She's moving a leg.
Make it hot!
walk into the box.
Do not...
Hold on. Your father looks worried.
Look.
In an industry that is mostly run by men.
How do you feel? I feel like I just took a sledgehammer to...
I'll start the voting then, yes!
I am a female daredevil. I come from a long line of daredevils. You might actually remember
Still have their ears.
Gonna do today?
Today I will be performing the
What's your father's advice?
I mean, he doesn't really have a right to tell me I'm crazy, but he thought...
Simon, you should join. Doing the things that guys normally do.
you.
Yeah. So I would say more...
Bloating Coffin.
Get the medics ready.
She looks devastated.
I still feel the vibe. Thank you. Me too.
Yeah.
And then it exploded. That was amazing.
We'll see you in a second.
Yeah.
Right there.
Now he's nailing her in.
See what the judges have to say.
I second it. You want to join me in the box?
Yes,
No, you, but it's 4 yeses.
Thank you.
Good. She's good!
Definitely yes.
Heidi.
I'm gonna give you a yes.
Oh, yeah.
I wanted to do things that were good.
There you go.
You know, male or female.
Get out. Get all cameras out.
There she is. She's getting in, guys.
Pressure, and I think the adrenaline is kicking.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're gonna go back inside and we're gonna...
Crying.
I really, really hope this goes well, so good luck.
I'm alive!
Fantastic. Heidi.
Oh no. Because growing up, female.
This is girl power. And
But I'm thankful that you are alive.
I'm scared. My dad.
I'll think about it. It might have been better, more dynamite in the box.
You're crazy.
Well, I think he's got it right. And why do you want to do this?
Big bellow knock.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
The helicopter.
Let's try this at home.
5, 4, 3.
I know you're gonna say that.
I'm finished.
Winner.
What? I've got to go in the box.
Yes.
Ready.
I decided I want to do something bigger and better.
Being honestly.
It's very dangerous.
Hello, you.
Hello.
And who are you, please?
My name is Anna.
Hey there, If you ever get bored of watching people sat in silence, maybe you should come and check out the We Know Nothing podcast, where we talk too much. If you want to listen to two drunk best friends talking about current events, opinions, and embarrassing stories, be sure to check us out.